Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how most beginners end up getting tricked on Alibaba and how most set out with good intentions of creating a high quality product. It's well branded for their target audience, but they end up with a cheap product that's just like everyone else's. So with that being said, be sure to like and subscribe down below. But without further ado, let's get right into it. And really quickly, before we jump into today's video, I did just want to remind you guys that I recently made a huge change to how you can join my course. I'm trying a new model this year. I have a goal of getting 100 students to $10,000 per month. So I'm kind of opening up the doors to more people, trying to let more entrepreneurs in. If you have a great entrepreneurial drive and just a couple $100, you can come work with me weekly, and you can come get all access to these private, never before seen videos about how to create your online business in a profitable way. So it'll be first link in the description. Will bring you through and you'll have the ability to enroll. I don't know how long I'm going to keep the doors open at such a low price. We'll see what happens, but just wanted to let you guys in on that opportunity. So with that being said, let's get back to the video. All right, guys, so I just pulled up a market here that we're going to be using as an example for today. It's called Shower Foot Scrubber. I believe it has about 10,000, 11,000 search volume. We'll just go ahead and open up X-Ray by Helium 10 really quickly just to go ahead show you kind of what the numbers are looking for. Again, this part doesn't matter so much, right? Don't worry about what the product is. This is just an example. I'm not recommending selling this product, just using it as an example, and I want to kind of push off of it as a point for reference, okay? So right here, we have a product that has a lot of issues, and I think that's kind of why I picked this product, right? Just to make this video about. This product is 3.5 stars. It's doing $10,000 per month. It has lots of reviews, so you know it's not just a couple people complaining. There's some major issues here. So that resembles what sometimes new Amazon sellers are looking for. You want to find a market in which there's something to improve upon. That's a great way to differentiate yourself, right? You solve an issue that many customers are complaining about. You make it apparent that you solved that issue. And you could have a very profitable product that sells tens of thousands of dollars per month. That's the theory, right? Now, how does Alibaba enter the equation, and where do we go wrong with Alibaba? So we kind of understand that this product has issues. It doesn't stick very well to the bottom of the shower. These bristles fall out. The thing at the back for your heel, it peels off. It's not made well. The plastic is cheap, right? So we go, aha, I'm going to make this product because thousands of customers every single month look for it and then go ahead and purchase it, but they're very upset with it. So when I come over to Alibaba and I type in shower foot scrubber, and then what we want to do really quickly, just easy, simple Alibaba hack. Just do suppliers instead of products. It's almost always better. What it's going to do is it's going to sort the top 3 products from each supplier. So you will see all the relevant ones very quickly. And here we go. We already found it. It's from an 11-year supplier. They have skin in the game. They've been around a long time. They're a gold supplier. Are they gold supplier? Not gold supplier. Verified supplier. Trade assurance. Everything looks good, right? So what is the problem? How am I getting tricked? Well, here's where people go wrong. They start with this grand idea that I'm going to fix an issue. I'm going to change the product. I'm going to make a better version of this product. And then where they end up getting tricked is that through sales tactics by the supplier, which, by the way, let's be clear, you're talking to sales representatives. They want to close you into ordering thousands of dollars of inventory, right? So they may say things to get you to do that. Okay, yeah, we can make those changes, or I'll see what the manager says. We can probably make those changes, right? And then you go sample, then you go down payment. Oh, actually, let's go with this product. Or sometimes they'll even be insulted that you want to change the product. Why do you want to change the product? You're being so difficult. The product's already good. We improved it already. Right? Just order this one. So what new sellers on Amazon don't understand is that you can get tricked by suppliers into just ordering the same product because it's so easy. It's so easy to just order this product. We already have this product, right? You asking for all these changes, you're the one that's making it difficult. So what I'm saying is have some conviction in the changes that you want to make and find a supplier that can actually do that for you, right? You may have seen on my channel recently, I'm talking a lot about working with US manufacturers, right? Building things in the US, supporting local companies. And generally, they're much more willing to make changes to products. It's a difficult game. There's not a really good interface for finding them, and a lot of those are already locked in with high-level orders, bigger clientele, and a lot of them won't even consider you for a low minimum order quantity. But in some cases, like for instance, I am customizing wooden products in the United States. I'm talking to suppliers right now, or manufacturers in the United States, about not only creating new ones, but changing my existing listings from Alibaba suppliers to US manufacturers, something people don't really think about doing. We can go ahead and start building a relationship with suppliers either in the US or on Alibaba that have our same goal in mind, to make a superior product. And that's where you don't want to go wrong. Okay? Don't get tricked into just selling the same thing that's on Amazon, because it's really easy. I've had it happen to me many times where they start to make sense. They're like, hey, that's gonna be a lot of money. You might be able to make those changes, but it's not gonna be that much better than this. You go, okay, I can win with branding. So you end up ordering it, and then surely enough, they say they've improved the product. You start getting those 3.5-star ratings again. So I just wanted to put this out there because I don't want new sellers start getting tricked by this kind of sales tactics of suppliers. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing, right? They're in the same game that we are. They want to make money selling physical products. Okay, they're just doing it in bulk. We're trying to sell individual units to customers, but we're still trying to mark up the price and we're still trying to make profit. If you want that relationship to work well, where you're mutually benefiting in 3 ways, both your supplier is benefiting, you're benefiting, and your customer is benefiting, you have to have a high quality product. You have to enjoy who you're working with. And generally, you want that supplier to be able to produce several units for you. Several different SKUs for you, a line of products, and you build this high quality relationship that benefits both you and your customer. Okay, so you're front loading your efforts into finding a better supplier instead of just launching super quickly onto Amazon with a cheap product. And that's really what I wanted to talk about. Don't get tricked by the sales tactics of manufacturers that try and get you to sell products that already exist on Amazon, saying that they have in some way improved this product already. Okay, so most of the time that's not the case. And where I want you to hold on to your conviction is getting that product design that you know will work better made the right way. Okay, if someone can't do it, they say you're being difficult, just stop working with them. Okay, they clearly just want to sell the same product in bulk. They're not interested in evolving that product line and making it better. And if you don't think you're going to be able to just do it for free, sometimes you do have to pay for molding. You do have to make changes. That part's not false, okay? But if you know for sure who your target audience is and the changes that they need made to that product, go find the supplier that can do it, because it's not rocket science. I mean, there are much harder things being done and accomplished in the world than finding a supplier that can make a plastic foot scrubber. Okay, it can be done. It's not that difficult. Just got to look around. Now, to the topic of U.S. versus Alibaba manufacturing, let me know. Well, Alibaba could technically have more than just, could have U.S. suppliers on there, but Chinese versus U.S. manufacturing, I wouldn't say that one is better than the other, or I would completely get rid of the other one. Okay, do what's best for your business, and keep in mind that both channels are open, right? If one's going to produce a better product for you with a higher profit margin, go that route. But keep in mind the quality of the product. If you want to hear more about that, be sure to comment down below. I will look at those and I'll consider making more videos about things that you need specification for. So that being said, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end, and I will see you in the next one. Later.